Hello, today we will guide you through how to change payment method on Zoom. If you need to update the card or billing details connected to your Zoom account, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the billing area so you can quickly find the right settings and make your changes with confidence. To begin, open your browser and go to the Zoom homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Zoom account or workspace. Starting from the homepage helps ensure you're navigating from the main account dashboard. Once you're on the Zoom home screen, move to the top right corner and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps access to your personal account settings and administrative options. If you don't immediately see billing-related choices on the main screen, don't worry. They're nested inside your account menu. After opening the profile account menu, click on Plans and Billing. This section is where Zoom organizes subscription details, payment settings, and other account-related billing information. It's the main area you'll use whenever you want to review your plan or update how payments are handled. From there, click on Billing Management. This takes you deeper into the billing controls for your account. If your account has active subscriptions or saved payment details, this is the page where those options are typically managed. Take a moment to look over the page so you can identify the sections related to billing information and payment methods. At this point, you can create or change your billing or payment method here. This is the area where you'll enter updated payment details, replace an existing payment method, or review the billing information currently on file. Be sure to double-check everything before saving any changes so your future Zoom payments go through without interruption. As a helpful tip, after updating your payment method, it's a good idea to confirm that the new information appears correctly in the billing section. That extra check can help prevent issues with upcoming renewals or invoices. You may also want to review whether the billing address matches the payment method you're using, since that can sometimes affect processing. And that's it. You've now seen where to go in Zoom to update your payment method and billing details. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process simple and clear.